In the world of Bollywood, few stars shine as brightly as Dharmendra. Since the golden age of Indian cinema, his name has meant charm, bravery, and hard work. He's not just an actor. He's a symbol of hope and inspiration for many generations. At 89 years old, he's still a huge star, loved by millions for his charm and what he's left behind. Every time he's on the big screen, people get excited, and when he shows up at events, he still has that star power that never fades. But recently, the country got worried when he was taken to a hospital in Mumbai because he had a lot of trouble breathing. His condition got worse, so the doctors had to quickly put him in the ICU and give him a breathing machine, which showed how serious things were. The news spread fast, causing a wave of prayers and worry all over the country. His loyal fans and close family, his sons Sunny and Bobby, and his wife Hema Malini, quickly gathered by his side, showing how much love and support surrounded the legend. The medical team at Breach Candy Hospital worked tirelessly, day and night, to make sure Dharmendra got the best care. Meanwhile, millions of people across India held their breath, waiting for good news and hoping together for him to get better. In tough times like these, family love and fan prayers become a shield that protects a beloved legend. Dharmendra's story isn't just about fame, it's also about the power of love, hope, and togetherness that brings a nation closer. In today's digital world, news spreads instantly, reaching every corner of the globe in seconds. Sometimes with devastating results. Wrong information can spread faster than the truth, causing chaos and confusion. Just hours after Dharmendra was admitted to the hospital, false rumors about his death popped up online, adding to his family's pain. This news spread like wildfire, with no one checking if it was true. Unchecked posts and shocking headlines caused panic, as millions grieved a loss that hadn't even happened. The need for excitement was put before the truth, and this had a very damaging effect. The family, already in a tough spot, had to fight a wave of wrong information instead of focusing on his care. They had to deal with endless calls and messages filled with misplaced sympathy. Such rumors cause real emotional harm, breaking trust and making sadness worse. Families who are already fragile become even more stressed, and the public's trust in the media goes down. This event is a clear reminder. Behind every headline are real people with real feelings and lives. We need to be more careful about sharing information, and rushing to share unverified news can cause deep and unnecessary pain. Before we hit that share button, we should think twice about its impact. The desire for breaking news should not be greater than basic human decency. We must put truth and empathy above all else. In the middle of all the chaos, Hema Malini, Dharmendra's wife and a legend herself, spoke out clearly and strongly. She said the fake reports were wrong and disrespectful, showing how much pain such rumors caused her family. Hema told everyone that Dharmendra was getting better and responding to treatment. Her direct update cut through all the noise, bringing back hope and the truth. She also asked for privacy, reminding everyone that even famous people deserve respect during tough times. Hema's statement was like a shield and a call for kindness. Eshadeol, Dharmendra's daughter, echoed her mother's message, using Instagram to reach a wide audience. She confirmed, "My father is stable and recovering," bringing relief to worried fans. Esha criticized the endless media speculation, asking for calm and respect for her family's privacy. By turning off comments on her posts, she created a safe space, shielding her family from more trouble. Her calm and honest communication set an example for how to handle a public crisis. Esha's response was a daughter's act of protection and a lesson in responsible sharing. The family's united front became a beacon of truth. Sunnydeol, Dharmendra's son, quietly showed his support. He visited the hospital and stayed by his father's side. His team put out a simple, reassuring message. "Dad is getting better. He's under observation. There's nothing to worry about." The Deol family's coordinated response, Hema's emotional update, Esha's calm assurance, Sunny's practical message, formed a wall of unity against the rumors. Their unity brought comfort to fans and strengthened hopes for Dharmendra's recovery. In a crisis, their strength and grace shone through, reminding us of the power of family. The Deol family weathered the storm together, focused on what mattered most, the well-being of their beloved patriarch. Their example is a lesson in resilience and dignity. Spreading false news about Dharmendra's health caused real harm, not just to his family, but to millions of fans. When rumors start, they spread super fast, often without anyone checking if they're true. This creates a wave of worry that's really hard to stop. In just a few hours, untrue stories can change how a whole community feels, causing panic and a lot of uncertainty. For the Deol family, it meant fighting against lies instead of focusing on his care. This added more stress and pain to an already tough time. They had to deal with endless phone calls, questions from friends and family, and pressure from the media wanting answers. All of this drained their emotional and mental energy, making the healing process even harder. For the fans, rumors caused real sadness and anxiety. It shows how wrong information can really mess with people's feelings. Many of them felt a sense of loss, even before anything was confirmed, and got stuck in unnecessary fear. Social media made these feelings spread even faster, making the emotional impact bigger. Incidents like this make people lose trust in the news, making it harder for them to believe even true updates. When people are constantly hit with conflicting information, they become doubtful and confused. This makes trust in the media and other institutions go down. At its core, spreading lies is a failure of empathy. It's ignoring the dignity of those at the center of the story. Every rumor spread without thinking is a form of not caring about other people's feelings and lives, especially when they're going through a hard time. Dharmendra deserves respect, not rumors, especially when he's most vulnerable. Respecting his privacy and dignity is the real support we can give, much more meaningful than spreading stories that might not even be true. This whole situation is a serious reminder to always think about the human cost of what we share. Every click, every message, and every post has real effects on other people's lives. Let's learn to be wiser, pause before sharing information, and always put empathy and truth first. The media has a lot of power, and with that, a lot of responsibility. Dharmendra's situation shows us why it's so important to check facts carefully before sharing sensitive news. Good journalism means getting things right, even if it takes a little longer. It means waiting for official statements from the family or the hospital. The clear updates from the Deol family helped stop the rumors. It shows how important it is to share information openly and honestly. Nowadays, anyone with a social media account can share news. We all have a job to do. Check if it's true before we share it. Taking a moment to pause can stop a lot of unnecessary pain. The media's job is super important, but so is ours. In this age of too much information, it's super important to tell the difference between what's real and what's made up. Always check where the news comes from. Trust well-known places, not just random posts. Look for confirmation from a few good sources before you believe or share surprising news. Go straight to the main source, like official statements from family or the hospital, if you can. Try to keep your feelings in check. False information often plays on surprise and fear. Stop, think, and check before you share anything. By being careful, we can help stop harmful lies from spreading. The power of truth starts with each one of us. As the dust settled, the most important truth remained. Dharmendra was fighting and recovering. His family's love, expert medical care, and the prayers of his fans formed a powerful force for healing. This episode has taught us the destructive power of rumors and the healing power of compassion. Let us honor Dharmendra's legacy by practicing empathy, verifying before sharing, and respecting privacy. This story isn't about rumors, but about resilience, truth, and love. Get well soon, Dharamji. The nation is rooting for you. May we all move forward with greater kindness and responsibility.